Okay, working on a Maytag refrigerator, and the complaint was that both compartments were warm. I went around back and found that the compressor was not starting. This uses the solid state relay, and the sure way you can tell it's bad, if you pull it off and shake it, it rattles. That's the solid state innards in the PTC material that they use inside the relays here. That just burns up and fries. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this whole relay overload assembly with discrete relay and overload components, and then we'll test the compressor, fire it up, and see if it fires up. I've already checked the windings on the compressor. You can see maybe from the stand posts in there, I don't know if that's coming through, but there are 3 stand posts on the compressor, and you can check the resistance between each 3 posts, and should be something very low, and they didn't read any opens between them. So by that test, the compressor should be okay, but the real test is going to be when we put the components back on it and start it up. Okay, so something I didn't show before was the condenser fan, and it was looking suspiciously lazy, very slow moving, and it was absolutely silent too when it was running. So I installed a new replacement condenser fan motor. It's actually a little beefier than the one that was in there. It's a 2 watt versus the old one was a 1.5 watt. They look the same, but it's a beefier motor. And listen, you can hear it running. That's the sound of air moving. That's what you should be hearing in a normal condenser. And it's the same, rated at the same RPM, 1300 RPM, but the other motor was just simply not turning at 1300 RPM, and it's moving air appreciably, very, very noticeably through that jelly roll condenser. So now I think the failure sequence here was the condenser fan motor got lazy, was not turning at the rated speed. The condenser, as a result, was getting hot, which raises the head pressure on the compressor. The compressor starts to operate at a high pressure and temperature, and that will make it draw more current when it goes to try to start, which burns out the start relay on the compressor. So we had a kind of a subtle follow-on effect that I think the sequence started with the condenser fan motor itself, and then it took out the compressor relay. So we're going to check temperatures inside the box again here in just a couple minutes.